Okay, start by connecting your air, which is down here. We got our air connected. We have our 3-phase 208 volt power connected. Have our edge tape in. This is set for 16 millimeters for 5/8. We have our control panel here. Make sure that this red button is out for power, or you'll see an error code here and you have to hit reset to reset it. Also, there's a machine kill on this side that has to be out here. And you pull this back here and you feed your edge tape in here, and it's got to be just past here where it's loaded, so it's onto this roller so the glue doesn't get on it. Okay, we have this control panel labeled, so we have the power out, the shut off out, and we have the power here, which is number 1. So start by hitting that, and once you hit it, you're going to hear a noise until it's going, and then you turn the glue pot on. And you're going to get this error code here because the glue pot isn't hot enough yet, and you don't want to go to the next step. So what I had labeled was 1, 2, and then 3. I put a temperature here of 197. So when this is 197, then you can turn the track on, which is number 4, and then the machine will start running. And then you're going to cover, after that, you're going to turn on the rollers first. In-feed roller, which is number 5. Then you're going to turn the end trimmers on, then the top and bottom trimmers, and then these two aren't applicable, and then you're going to turn the buffers on, and then the machine's ready to go. So we'll come back when the temperature is back at 197. Okay, we're back here. So the error code that was up here was 051. It reset itself as soon as the temperature got up to 197 here. So now that the temperature is up, we'll just double check that the glue pot's nice and warm. So just go back here. It's nice and warm there. There's enough glue in there. Now we'll go back to our control panel. So we already did number 1, number 2, and number 3 were at our temperature. So now we go here to number 4, which is the track, and you turn it on. And you don't want to, the error code's there, so you don't, the track also runs a glue, and you need to make sure it's hot enough so that mechanism will spin. Now that you have the track on, number 4, you just go, we'll just double check our hot melt glue is there. We'll go back and just have a quick look in here. You can see that, or I don't know if you can see that, but the hot melt glue looks nice and good down there. The roller is nice and clean, and it's getting glue evenly. So now we'll go back here. We're going to start with number 5 now. Turn on rollers, end trimmers. You can hear them start up. Top and bottom trimmers. And then the buffers. Now we didn't connect our air for this demonstration, but we're going to run the system. So our buffers are running there. Our trimmers are running there. Our wheels are all working. So we're ready to run a piece of material. the piece really clean here. End trim. Nice and clean on both ends.
I'll get it from the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, clean it through.
See how nice that's cutting? Nice and clean here. And
Don't move it so fast.
And stuff. Really nice and clean. So we'll do another video. We'll run this once more.
Okay.
Okay, now we ran on our machine. So now to turn this off, you turn it buffer off, this off, rollers off. Now you can just leave the power, the glue pot on until you're ready to run again. And you can also hit stop to turn the track off. That way if you want to work and keep it at 198 for the day, you can.